It's going behind the cloud. Let me see the count. I'm behind the Wander.
Alright, what's up guys? Today we have made the long trek up to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. We've got the Tetons right behind us. This is the farthest away we've ever camped. Me and Jake just graduated high school, so this is what we wanted to do right when we graduated. So our first destination here was we're staying in Jackson Hole, and up behind you guys we've got some campsites we're hoping at staying. And we've got this awesome view of the Grand Teton National Park. And I don't know, yeah, this is gonna be an awesome trip. And tomorrow we've got more planned. We're gonna head up north, and we've got a bunch of locations that we're headed to. Okay guys, welcome to camp tonight. It was kind of hard to find a campsite, but that's okay. We got offered, and there was someone in the campsite. Her name's Liv. Shout out to Liv. She's letting us sleep at her campsite tonight. But we got the tent all set up. I think we've got a super cool spot tucked up in the trees here. There's Jake. There's Liv. But the view is so cool, so worth it. I mean, that will work. Yeah, we just got bear spray the other day because we're like, yeah, it's pretty nice out. Yeah, I got pants in here. They have really nice smelling, like the camo pants. $13. Or cut your food. I didn't really think about the knife. It's the best thing for, like, without just anything in it. Like, since you quiet here because people are still sleeping, but it's a beautiful morning out here in the Tetons. I am so happy that we found this campsite, and I'm beyond grateful that Liv helped us out to stay at our campsite, because we would have been staying elsewhere without this amazing view if it wasn't for Liv. So I'm super grateful of that, and I couldn't have asked for like better weather here. It's perfect, and I don't know, I love it here so much. It's so awesome. But I could stay here another day, but you know, we've got other stuff to see up north, and that's a part of the journey. You gotta keep moving. You gotta appreciate the places you go to, and keep moving on. And this trip is made so much easier by me having my Rev rack tent from C6 Outdoor. It frees up all my space in my car for just packing a bunch of gear, and it's way more comfortable than sleeping in the car. So if you want to get one for yourself, go click my link in my bio and use my discount code TrailTeamsOverland. You can get yourself 10% off a tent for yourself, and go head on some adventures like this, and go take it on a road trip. Alright guys, we just packed up. We got the tent all put away, we got all the stuff put away. Made some eggs for breakfast. Good breakfast, kind of took it chill this morning. I woke up super early on my own. I was up at like 6. But I got to watch the sunrise on the Tetons. So that was incredible. But yeah, we're all about to head out, and we're going to start heading north up into Yellowstone. It's weird to process heading even farther away. This is the farthest I've been from home, so this is cool. But yeah, head up into Yellowstone, go do a hike, check out some of the touristy stuff, and then see where we go from there. Okay, here's Liv. She's the one who let us spend the night at the campsite. So, and this is Winnie right here. But we had a great time. We're about to head out. Time to go on some new adventures.
Hit the road.
Yep. Bottom of the trail. We are now headed up north. We're saying goodbye to the Tetons behind me. Love those mountains, but gotta keep moving on, keep exploring. So we are headed up into Yellowstone, and we're gonna go find a hike to do and find some lakes or waterfalls that we can go in or hike up to, because it's a hot day today. I think it's gonna be in the upper 80s. So yeah, heading north, baby. Got a friend right here. He's just right in my mirror. Heading to go hike. It's Jake. But we're heading over. Yo, sick.
Six miles on flat.
Oh, that's a sick video.
It's
It's a sick video. Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Holy fuck!
Oh no! Guys, don't go in the lake.
It's cold!
Oh shoot! Don't go in the lake. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, fuck. So stable. Did a little hike, pretty tiring. Me and Jake are wiped out, but we are headed out of Yellowstone. This is going to take some time. We've got about 40 miles to our campsite. We're going to camp at Hebgen Lake, which is right in West Yellowstone, the town. So outside of Yellowstone, but we're hoping to camp at the lake. Crash out there for the night. Update. We've been sitting in traffic for probably 15 minutes and it's all behind me. Don't really know what, probably for the exit of the park, but I guess this is what happens in parks. I'm a part of the problem technically, so can't be too mad. It's also very pretty everywhere around, so. But we are hoping we will still get to our campsite on time before dark. That would suck to have to set up in the dark, but if we do have to, that's all right. Alright guys, welcome to camp tonight. We came here just straight from Yellowstone because it was so busy and it was getting late and we had traffic, so we showed up pretty late to the campsite. We are kind of near a lake, but in the middle of the forest. So we are so tired from today that our dinner tonight is cereal. So we're just gonna down some cereal. I've got my mixing bowl and a spoon.